US and Canada commercial vehicle drum brakes market. Commercial trucks don't stop on hype, they stop on reliable braking systems. In 2024, the US and Canada commercial vehicle drum brakes market is valued at USD 274 million. The market is projected to reach USD 360 million by 2030, growing at a 3.95% CAGR. Drum brakes remain essential in trucks and buses due to low cost, durability, and easy maintenance. The United States holds 87% market share, while Canada accounts for 13%. Growth is driven by strict safety regulations, heavy-duty fleet usage, and a strong aftermarket replacement cycle. Globally, the drum brake market is worth USD 9.8 billion, led by Asia Pacific with 44% share. Drum brakes aren't outdated. In North American commercial vehicles, they remain essential and profitable. To know more, visit our website www.verifiedmarketresearch.com and connect with us inquiries at verifiedmarketresearch.com.